Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our news channel. Students, today we have a story uh, regarding an island, and suddenly it feels like it belongs in a fantasy novel. Yes, that's right. It's a land of dragons, blood trees, magical landscapes, and a mysteries written by nature itself. But this magical place is in danger. Today we are going to explore Socotra, an island in the Arabian Sea. Yes, this is the Arabian Sea, as you can see here. And the urgent battle to save its ancient trees, some of which have survived even for centuries, but now it may not survive us. So get ready, because this is not just a story about trees, it's a story about climate change, war, survival, and hope. Okay? Students, imagine an island where trees, they sort of look like this. Yes, they look like this. Okay? And trees, yes, as you can see here in the picture, kaisa dikh raha hai ye? It's looking like upside down umbrella, hai na? And here, and in these plants, red sap flows from bark like blood. Okay, तो उनके जो bark होता है, ट्री का जो bark है, उसमें से red sap भी flow होता है. So, and on this island, plants and animals exist that you won't find anywhere else on earth. So that island is called Socotra. Yes, and this island is part of Yemen. It's part of Yemen. Yemen has a capital, Sana'a. Okay, on the one side we can see Red Sea, and then we have Gulf of Aden, and here is Socotra in Arabian Sea, located in the Arabian Sea. Now, Socotra is one of the most unique places in the world, and it is so unique that scientists call it the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean. So, like Galapagos, where are Galapagos? Galapagos are located in the South America. So, Socotra is also home to treasure trove of plants and animals that live only there. ये ऐसे टाइप के जो प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स है वो सिर्फ यहीं पे मिलेंगे, आपको कहीं पूरे अर्थ पे कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. इस टाइप के जो ट्रीज हैं, आप इसको देखोगे आपको लगेगा कि ये किसी और वर्ल्ड के ट्रीज हैं, राइट? ऐसे अपसाइड डाउन अम्ब्रेला टाइप में, एंड इनके बाग से रेड सैप also flows. Okay, so out of the hundreds of plant species on the island, nearly 40% are endemic. एंडेमिक का मतलब क्या होता है? एंडेमिक मीन्स दैट दे डोंट ग्रो एनीवेयर एल्स इन द वर्ल्ड. ओके, तो ये जो प्लांट स्पीशीज है ये सिर्फ यहीं पर है और पूरे वर्ल्ड पर कहीं नहीं है, राइट? दैट मीन्स दे डोंट ग्रो एनीवेयर एल्स इन द वर्ल्ड. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द रेप्टाइल्स, yes, reptiles, about 90% of them are found only on this island. Okay, तो कुछ तो जो यहाँ पे जो 90% रेप्टाइल्स है जो यहाँ पे मिलते हैं वो सिर्फ इधर ही हैं और कहीं नहीं मिलेंगे, अर्थ के कहीं नहीं मिलेंगे, सिर्फ इस आइलैंड में मिलेंगे. ओके, एंड द मोस्ट फेमस ऑफ ऑल दीज प्लांट्स, ऑफ कोर्स, जिसके बारे में हम आज बात कर रहे हैं, ड्रैगन्स ब्लड ट्री. Okay, it is also scientifically known as Dracaena cinnameri. Now, let's talk about this tree. Imagine a tree with thick roots, a sturdy trunk, and a huge green top that spreads out like an umbrella. So, this tree, you can see from the picture only, it doesn't look like your average tree, hai na? It looks like it came straight out of a movie about dinosaurs or wizards. So that is the dragon's blood tree. And it has a secret. If you just cut its bark, It bleeds. Not real blood, of course, but a red sap that just looks like a blood is coming out of it. And this sap has been used for medicines, dyes, and even in magic potions for many, many years. Okay. And some of these trees are believed to be over 500 years old. 500 years old. That means a tree growing on Socotra today may have started its life in the 1500s. है ना? क्योंकि 500 years पुराना है. Around the same time when the Mughal Empire was rising in India. तो इतना time duration in trees ने देख रखा है. But sadly, these ancient trees are now in trouble. And the reasons are both natural as well as man-made. Okay. तो क्या reasons है? सबसे पहले, let's just start with weather. See, in the past, Socotra had a few big storms every year, maybe like one or two. But now, this island is hit by stronger, deadlier cyclones, and not just once or twice, but several times a year. पहले तो क्या होता था, सिर्फ 1 or 2 टाइम साइक्लोन या स्टॉर्म आता था. लेकिन अब क्या हो रहा है कि एक ईयर में, 1 ईयर में बहुत बार साइक्लोन्स आते हैं. And these cyclones, they bring fierce winds and heavy rain. And they rip trees from the ground. They break branches. They flood the land. And some areas get up to 35 inches of rain. So trees that actually took centuries to grow are being destroyed in minutes. And why is this happening? Of course, biggest culprit that we all are experiencing, climate change. Okay, so air and sea are getting warmer, which makes storms more powerful. Okay, and one expert in this news article, Dr. Hiroyuki Murakami, yes, he's saying that climate models from around the world show that these changes are just beginning. Okay, ये तो सिर्फ शुरुआत है. It's just beginning. So that's scary, right? Imagine studying your entire life for an exam only to see your answer sheet blown away by a storm. Now that's what happens to these trees. है ना? कि अब इनका 2-3 मिनट में ही जो पूरा स्टॉर्म की वजह से, साइक्लोन की वजह से डिस्ट्रक्शन हो जाता है. Okay? But students, storms aren't the only threat. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ स्टॉर्म की वजह से ही इस आइलैंड को खतरा है. No. There's another danger, and it's actually much smaller. It's goats. Yes, you heard that right. Goats. Goats were brought to Socotra by people long ago. But क्या हुआ? उनको लाया गया, but they were left to roam free. And now there are too many of them. Goats are eating the seedlings, the baby trees, before they even have a chance to grow. So you might think goats are cute, but to a baby dragon's blood tree, they are deadly. So without young trees growing, the forests are shrinking. And it's like cutting down pages of a book and never writing new ones. So with no fences or goat control systems, the damage just continues. See, in nature, we have a balance. Nature का अगर आप naturally देखो तो balance है. Trees की population, ये plant की population को control करने के लिए we have herbivores. And to control the population of herbivore, we have carnivores. और अगर किसी की एक की भी population अगर balance उसका बिगड़ता है तो उससे क्या होगा? पूरा ecosystem affect हो सकता है. So similarly, it's happening on Socotra Island. Okay. So goats है यहाँ पे, herbivores है. अब उनकी population को control करने के लिए carnivores नहीं है. Right? तो उससे क्या हो रहा है कि जो dragon trees हैं, dragon blood trees हैं, उनकी population affect हो रही है. Right? And also there's the war. See, Socotra Island is a part of a Yemen. It belongs to Yemen. Yemen country है. अब यूएन को अपने न्यूज में सुना होगा, this country's been in a brutal civil war for over a decade, and different groups, they are fighting for control, for to take control in government. And they're also Houthi rebels. Houthi rebels are also there. And even foreign countries like Saudi Arabia and the UAE. तो थोड़ा सा एक तो ये फैक्टर भी है कि ऑलरेडी वॉर टॉन ये कंट्री है जहां पर everyone wants to take control, everyone is fighting for control, right? हाउदी रिबल्स ने अभी लास्ट हमने सुना था कि हाउदी रिबल्स ने रेड सी में अटैक किया. So because of the war, scientists can't visit the island safely. They can't visit the island safely. And ultimately, उसकी वजह से क्या होगा? Conservation के लिए जो fund है, aid है, वो भी stop हो गया. And even simple supplies like plastic tubes for planting are hard to find. And some local militia, they have even tried to take over parts of the island for military use. Conservation हो नहीं रहा है, ऊपर से military use के लिए भी island को capture किया जा रहा है. So not only are the trees fighting nature, they are also caught in the middle of a human conflict. Okay, but of course, here's the hopeful part of our story. On this island, in the middle of all this trouble, there are still people who are fighting to protect these ancient trees. Okay, तो इसमें से एक का तो नाम इस आर्टिकल में भी मेंशन है, सैम कफाशने, and she's a woman working high up on the island's plateaus. Okay, and she has actually created a small nursery. तो उन्होंने एक नर्सरी भी छोटा सा बनाया है, और साथ ही साथ में क्या कर रही है वो कि ताकि जो ड्रैगन ब्लड ट्रीज हैं उनको स्टॉर्म से बचाया जा सके. एक सॉर्ट ऑफ किंडरगार्टन बनाया है, छोटे स्मॉल नर्सरी बनाया है ट्रीज के लिए, एंड ताकि उसको स्टॉर्म से बचा सके, गोट से बचा सके, हार्श सन से बचा सके. शी वाटर्स देम, she builds fences around them, and she checks on them every day. So here you can see in this article, she's saying that it's like losing a hand if the tree dies. So without these trees, the island loses its soul, because ये island इसी के लिए famous है. So Sam isn't alone. There are also other local groups and even international organizations that are helping, like the Socotra Heritage Project. Okay. But again, it's a tough battle. Now, students, you might be wondering, why should I care? I live thousands of kilometers away. मुझे क्या लेना देना? See, what happens on Socotra is a sign of what's happening all over the world. Unique ecosystems from coral reefs to rainforests, they are being threatened by climate change, human conflict, and careless development. So if these ancient trees, which have survived for centuries, are dying now, what does that say about the future of our own environment? It reminds us that biodiversity is fragile. Every species lost is like a sentence deleted from nature's storybook. And soon, we may not even have a book left to read. Right? So what actually you can do is spread awareness, choose eco-friendly products, reduce your carbon footprint, because every action counts. Okay? So that's all for today, students. Thank you for listening, and remember, the earth needs explorers like you, not just to visit, but to protect. Okay? Until next time, stay curious and stay kind. Bye-bye.